Hello beautiful buddies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and welcome to the buddies community. For today's vlog, I'm gonna be showing you guys on how to make white pasta. So I'm gonna show you the recipe and how I make my white cheesy pasta. So for a start, we're gonna start by boiling the pasta. So for boiling the pasta, you obviously need water. I'm gonna add a bit of salt. I never have proper measurements, guys. And I'm going to add a bit of vegetable oil in it. So I'm going to boil this pasta in like high heat so it can cook very quick. So as you can see, the pasta is boiling right now. So meanwhile, we're just going to make the chicken for the chicken that we're going to add in the pasta. So you're going to need boneless breast chicken like this, and we're gonna cut it into pieces. So in order to cook the chicken, we're going to need vegetable oil again. So I'm gonna add some oil melt. So as you guys can see, the oil has heated up. Now we're going to add the chicken cubes in it on the pan, and then you want to add some ginger garlic paste. You want to add some salt, add some chili powder, and you want to add some pepper. You see the chicken is almost cooked. Just need to leave it for like a bit more. So like I think it usually takes like 10 minutes or less, really depends. So as you can see, our chicken is ready and I've set it aside. So now we've boiled our pasta, it's ready. We've cooked our chicken. Now we're going to make our pasta sauce. We're going to need a bowl. We're going to need some flour, okay? Like maybe 2 tablespoons, not much. Right, and some water. We'll add some water in it, and we're going to whisk this mixture till all the lumps go away. Make sure there are no lumps at all. So make sure you add more water till it becomes like watery and stuff, like not too watery, but it shouldn't be too thick. The mixture shouldn't be too thick because we're going to cook it. Next, you want to heat your pot on like low to medium. I'm gonna add some butter, maybe like 1 teaspoon. Okay, and then let the butter like melt and heat up a bit. Now I'm going to add a little bit of garlic paste. If you have raw garlic, you can like cut it into pieces as well and use that instead. I don't have raw garlic, so I'm just going to use the paste. And then I'm going to add the flour mixture in it. So I'm going to use a whisk to mix this whole thing. And you have to make sure you're constantly mixing it so it doesn't, so no lumps should form in the mixture. In it, the mixture. This is the water. I have salt. I'm going to add some pepper. I'm going to add some red chili powder. So you see I kind of left it not mixing it for a while, and here you go, they're lumps. We're gonna fix this. Add some in there. So now we're going to add some cooking cream. This is the one I'm using. I'm going to add some in there. And mix it well again. As you guys can see, our sauce is ready, almost. Actually ready. As you see, it's already thickened. I'm just gonna mix it a bit more. I'm just gonna stir it a bit more. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add the cooked pasta in the mixture. So I'm going to mix this. And not to forget our chicken. And we're going to mix all that together. I'm going to mix that again for the cheese to melt. So I'm going to be adding extra cheese. Serve it. Look at that, guys. Looks so delicious. And our pasta is ready to be eaten, as you guys can see. So I'm just gonna taste this pasta and let you guys know how it tastes. This thing is so good. I swear. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. It's so simple to make and it's so good. And it's too delicious. So beautiful, buddies. Thank you for watching my video till the end. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. And yes, please do share this link to your friends and family that would like to try this recipe, because it's so easy